Hi guys, today I will show you in my project the steel structure. Today I'm waiting for that moment here. Today you can see we just installed the last beam between two columns here, and you know it is attached to other column. Everything is good, like you know here you can see the measurement center to center is perfect. That means everything is good. That is the day I'm waiting. You can see here is a flash. You can see here we just installed that beam, erected. You know everything is good. Look guys, that means distance center to center from that column to 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 that column. That column is perfect, 100% perfect. You can see guys, and also you can see hard safety first. So we just erected that beam between those two columns. That means our work, we work hard. I double check everything, all the measurements is perfect before we pour concrete. So that's a great day. I'm super proud with what I did. And you can see also on other side, distance between that column to that column to that column. All the measurement is per anchor bolt plan shop drawing, and the building will be square. So now everything is good. We will finish erecting the steel structure, and then we will do the roofing work and the insulation work. Yeah. Look guys, it is fit exactly, plumb, level, per drawing. That's a good size of building, steel structure. Everything is set per anchor bolt plan. You can see the elevation. Some columns 12 inches below finish floor. Some columns flash. You can see those columns here, interior column 12 inches below. You can see 12 inches below. Okay, and you can see this one. Other columns here, other columns that will be zero elevation. You know, flash with the finished floor elevation. And you can see here, I have here long beam column here, so I made the diamond bigger so it will fit. I have only this one here. I have only one in my project. This one 2.1.5 feet long, so I make the diamond 3 foot, so it will fit. This one is a flash, so you can see all the measurement is perfect. Center to center, it's perfect. Beautiful. Thank you guys. If you like my movie, please follow and like and subscribe to receive another construction movie. Thank you guys. Bye.